Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can update Pinokio. In order to do so, here we are at Pinokio.co, and after doing some research, I was able to determine that it's not possible at this moment to upload Pinokio within the app itself. You actually do need to come to the main site here, and you can download the latest installer. So depending on what you are using, then you could select that. You can download the installer and you can use that to update Pinokio to the latest version. Make sure that Pinokio is not running in the background, and once it's finished installing, then you can go ahead and click on the executable and you can begin to update Pinokio from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist that's all about Sintra. And if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account, and once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family to get $125 per referral. It's a great deal, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.